people are nervous when they're new in sales. There's no doubt about that. So one experience I had, my company is called Fearless Agent, not Nervous Agent. If you go to nervousagent.com, you're going to see a different coach there. It won't be me, okay? So fearless agents are not nervous. So one time I was in the airport in Phoenix, and I'm getting ready to fly to San Diego, and I'm, killing time, talking on the phone, listening to some stuff maybe. And then I see all these young guys, and they seem nervous, and they look like they're high schoolers or something like that. So they're in my gate area, so I'm wondering, where are they going? I think maybe they're a youth group from a church or who knows what. So I get on my plane, and these guys all get on my plane. Two of them sit right next to me, and they are literally sweaty nervous, okay? So I'm thinking, okay, they've never flown before. I don't know what's going on. So the one guy says, I am so nervous. I can't believe it. He's saying it over and over again. And I'm going, everything's going to be fine. So I make this flight all the time. And then finally, the flight attendant gets on the PA system, and she says, hey, we have a special group of people with us today. We've got 40 new recruits to the United States Marines going to Camp Pendleton in San Diego. And I go, oh, now I know why they're nervous. So the one kid sitting next to me, he says, I'm so nervous like 10 times. And I'm thinking, oh my goodness, do I need to worry about Homeland Security if this guy does he have what it takes to be a United States Marine? Well, what's going to happen to him over the next 12 weeks? Training. Basic training. And they're going to take a little nervous Nelly sitting next to me and turn him into a wind him up, point him straight ahead, killing machine. That's what's going to happen to him. He's not going to be nervous when they're done with him. And that's what's going to happen to you in Fearless Agent. I'm going to turn you into a wind you up, turn you straight ahead, listing machine or selling machine. You'll never be nervous. You will be fearless. And that's what Fearless Agent is all about. It's about not only changing you, but I want to change the world around you. The world around you will look different. And the way that happens is only one way. You have to feel comfortable reaching out, calling me, and you can call me anytime at 480-385-8810. Again, listen to the podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Go to my website at fearlessagent.com. Watch all the videos there. Go to fearlessagent.tv. Hit the subscribe button. Immerse yourself in all things Fearless Agent. And pretty soon, you will be a Fearless Agent. Thanks.